This Edinburgh Instruments software highlight will be focusing on fast mapping in Ramacle. When we Raman map a sample, first we place it underneath the microscope and bring it into focus. For example here, a flake of molybdenum disulfide. The user will then define the area of the sample that they wish to map and the map resolution. Using standard mapping, the stage will stop at every measurement point defined by the user. The laser is directed onto the sample and its Raman spectrum is acquired. The total time the Raman spectra are acquired for, which means the time the laser is on the sample for at each measurement point, is termed the exposure time. In standard mapping, time is spent accelerating and decelerating the stage as it moves from point to point. And when we take measurements that allow short exposure times, this standard method of stage movement actually increases the total map acquisition time. So for example, a map that could take theoretically 15 minutes will actually take over 1 hour due to this method of stage movement. Using fast mapping in Ramacle means the stage is continuously moving the sample throughout the measurement. This means we are removing that extra stage movement time that is described in standard mapping. And the result of this is a significant reduction in overall mapping times. Using identical Raman conditions, a map was taken of molybdenum disulfide with standard mapping and fast mapping. Under standard mapping conditions, the map took 16 minutes to complete. However, this was reduced to just 4 minutes when fast mapping was used. When the fast map is finished, the standard map is actually only 1/4 complete. Using fast mapping, the map was acquired significantly faster, in fact 4 times faster, without any reduction in spectral quality. Results from both maps are comparable and reveal the exact same information about the sample. So here for molybdenum disulfide, we can see areas of high Raman intensity, and these represent the presence of multilayer molybdenum disulfide, assigned using its 2 prominent Raman bands. Additionally, in fast mapping, CCD scans are more efficiently configured. This means that the exposure time can be further reduced to values below what is actually possible for standard mapping. Now, the map only takes 1.5 minutes to complete, compared to 4 minutes for the previous fast map, and is over 10 times faster than the standard map. Fast mapping is used for maps where we can use exposure times of 0.5 seconds or less. Fast mapping is a software tool from Ramacle available for 2D and 3D maps. Thank you for watching this software highlight. Hit the subscribe button to keep up to date with Edinburgh Instruments' latest research and educational videos.